Hi guys, this video is going to be a fun one, and this is really like a nightmare if you think about it. The video is what would happen if you woke up one day and all of your makeup was gone. What would be the least amount of money that you would spend replacing your makeup so that you can do a full face? I don't know, I think I will need some therapy after that, because you can't even have, if you don't have any money, that you have to be on a, budget, you can't really have a lot of retail therapy. So, oh my gosh, that would be serious. But anyway, let's pretend that this happened. We all know that it's not real, so we'll be able to handle it. So let's get on with it. So I'm going to try to go in the order that I would normally put the makeup on my face, and then I'll tell you, and this is, I'm pretending that I'm going to go to Ulta and purchase these things. Now at the current time, some of these things are on sale, like buy one, get one 50% off, but I'm just putting the regular price on here. And then I'll let you know at the end what the whole thing totaled, okay? And this is makeup that I had. And I didn't have to go out and buy anything, so this is currently in my collection. So I'm going to start with the L'Oreal Lift Radiance Booster as my primer. Now this is something that I've added a couple of weeks ago and to my collection, and I've used it a few times. I like it. It feels very, I don't know about radiant, but it feels very moisturizing, and I like it. Your foundation goes on really smoothly over it. So this is $12.99 for the L'Oreal primer. So this is the regular price. Then for my eyes, the Milani Eye Primer. And this is a great primer. And as you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. So I definitely use this a lot. It's like a little creamy one, but once you put it on your eye, it really doesn't look like beige or anything like that. It kind of looks clear. The only reason I use something else at times is because I do have a blemish on one of my eyelids, and this does not cover it. So this will help with the longevity of your shadows, but it will not help with any, to me, it doesn't help with any veining or discoloration that you may have on your eyelids. At least it doesn't help me. Then the next thing would be foundation, and I would get me the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. And this is some, I would say medium to full coverage, more medium, but you can definitely build it up. It is a great foundation. They have a good variety of shades, so you can definitely find something that would work for you. The Milani primer, by the way, is $6.99, and the foundation is $7.99. So this is a good price for a foundation that's going to last you a while. Then you will need a powder, a setting powder. And the Maybelline Fit Me Powder is really nice powder. And I use it to set under my eyes and also to set my whole face. And the powder is $7.99 also, and you can't beat that. And they do have several shades. Now I went with number 10, Fair Light, because I like to use it as a translucent. I really don't want for it to add any color to my face. Now for a concealer, under eye concealer, I like the H3 Wine by Maybelline, and this is a very good drugstore concealer. So definitely, if it's something that I can't afford high end, this is definitely one that I will go for. And I use this quite a bit. I'm almost out, so it's definitely a good one. During the week, this is what I use most of the time. So this is a very nice one. It really doesn't crease a lot. It does a good job of covering the dark circles on your eyes, and it looks nice all day. Now for bronzer, I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to give you the prices. The concealer is $8.99, but right now the Maybelline is buy one get one half off, but it's $8.99. For a bronzer, I will use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is such a good bronzer. It smells really good too. And this is in the shade, because now they have different shades. Light bronzer is all it says. But it smells like, almost like you're at the beach. It smells a little bit like coconuts. It is a very subtle bronzer, so you can definitely build it up, or you can leave it, you know, light on your face. It is not shimmery, it is matte, and it looks gorgeous on the face. It really does. It's the bronzer that I use most days. It's a very, very nice bronzer. It does bring like a little, I never use this, like a little sponge or brush for you to apply it with, but as you can see, it's still in the plastic. I don't use this. It's a brush, I think, right? Let me see. It's a little sponge. So, and another investment that you will have to make is brushes, but you can probably get like Eco Tools or something like that and do a good job with that. For the bronzer is $14.99. Now for a blush, I picked Milani Baked, and the color that I picked was Berry Amore. I do have several shades, but I felt like this is one of the ones that is it's pretty neutral. I mean, it's pretty. It's like pink with like gold running through it. It's very, very nice. It's got a little bit of shimmer, but it really doesn't translate that shimmery to the skin. It looks more matte than anything else. So it does a good job, and it stays on your face all day. It doesn't get cakey. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't disappear. So that's a very nice bronzer. I'm sorry, blush. And the price on that is $7.99 for the big blush. Now the highlighter, there was a couple of them. Essence has a really nice highlighter, which is the same price as $4.99. I couldn't find mine, that's why I didn't bring it. But Wet n Wild has beautiful highlighters. And this one is in the shade Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. And this is so soft and buttery. And I put it kind of heavy there so you can see it. But this looks really, really pretty on the skin. So this is a very nice one, and it's only $4.99. Now for eyeshadow palette, I have a hard time finding an eyeshadow palette that gave me a good variety, because I like pinks or mauves, and then I like bronzy colors. But I remember that I have the ColourPop, and ColourPop is now sold at Ulta, and this is the Give It To Me Straight ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and this is such a nice quality. All of the ColourPop eyeshadow palettes are really, really great quality. This is $16, and this has the lighter colors. It's got shimmers, and it's got some matte colors. It's got some reds, some cranberries, and mauves, and some gold, and some copper. So I think that I can do a good job with a palette like this. Now, I didn't put down an eyeliner because I don't wear eyeliner that often, and many times when I do some kind of an eyeliner, I use the shadow. So you have this brown one here that you can use, or you have this one which is lighter. This one really, when you put it on, it almost looks black. It's the one I have in my eyes, and as you can see, it's pretty dark, so it almost looks black. So this is a warmer brown, and this is a cooler brown, but this is a very, very pretty eyeshadow palette. $16. Then for mascara, I love the Essence Lash Princess. This is $4.99. It gives you volume, it gives you length, it doesn't flake, it really doesn't smudge. It smudges a little bit on my lower lashes. If I only had one mascara that I had to work with, I would choose this one. For $4.99, this tube will last you a long time, and it's a great quality mascara. Then for eyebrows, I would get the Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil, and this is in medium brown, and this one has got like it's a little thicker point. But if you go, you know, you can still do the hair-like strokes. And you can make it as dark or as light as you want to on your eyebrows. So this one works really well. And then it has a cute little spoolie at the end, which I actually kind of like. I don't need a humongous spoolie back there, so as you can see, it's kind of cute. It's short and stubby. And then for eyebrow gel, I like the NYX Control Freak. And this is $9.99. The brow pencil is $7.99. And then for lips, I would go with Milani. Milani has some beautiful lipsticks, so does Maybelline, and they're very affordable. This one is in the shade 25 Naturally Cheek. And the only thing with Milani, if you don't like scent, they all kind of scented like a fruit punch. But it's something that once you put it on your lips, it dissipates and you really can't smell it. But they have beautiful, this is like a creamy lipstick with a little bit of sheen. It's not matte. It's very comfortable on the lip. It will last a long time. And then for lip liner, I would always have to have a lip liner. I would go with NYX. And the lipsticks are $5.99. And the lip liner is $5.59. And here is the lip liner and the lipstick. Now you also have to remember that the highlighter, the blush, the bronzer, it can all work as eyeshadows also. Many times I use bronzer on my crease. If I don't have a light enough shade or a brown, or I don't want to go look for, if the palette that I have doesn't have a shade that I like for my crease, I just grab my bronzer, whatever bronzer I'm using. Many times I use the blush. You can use it on your eyes, absolutely. So you have quite a few options here between the palette and the rest of your products. So I like to use setting spray when I'm done with my makeup. And a very affordable one is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea from Mario Badescu. And this bottle is $7. He does have a larger one, which is, I believe, $14. This one smells really good. He also has a rose one and another one that is lavender. But I think this one is my favorite. It has a pretty nice mist, and it does a great job, and it's a lot more affordable than other facial sprays. And this does the same thing. It will make all your powders not look as powdery. Everything will kind of melt into your face. Your face won't look as cakey or dry. So putting something at the end of your look, you just kind of, I usually do 3 sprays. One on this side, the middle, and the other side. And then I kind of fan myself to dry it up. But this is $7. So I total all of the products that are here that I just showed you, and the total was $130, and which I don't think is too bad for really good quality drugstore products. Now you can go and probably find something less expensive, but I know that with these products, if I put all of this on my face, which I do have it on my face now, I'm going to get a nice look, and my makeup's going to stay, and my makeup's going to look nice at the end of the day. So I'm very, very happy with what I chose. I think $130, if you ended up losing all of your makeup, is a good investment, but I don't even want to think about that. What a nightmare, right? So I hope that you enjoy this video. I want to give credit to this video to Emily Noel83. She came up with this video. She did it for actually $100. I wasn't able to do it with $100. She had an eyeshadow palette that had bronzer, blush, and highlighter, I believe. So that saved a little bit of money when you have a face palette like that. I really don't have anything like that. The one that I had is not available anymore, so I didn't want to show you something that you wouldn't be able to get at the store. So Emily's the one that came up with this idea. Her video is really, really great. You should watch it. She is one of my favorite YouTubers. That woman can put Barbie makeup on her face and she's gonna look beautiful. And she's just beautiful, not just physically, but her personality. You can tell she's such a great mom. She's just fun. One of my favorite YouTubers. I really enjoy each and every video. She usually posts on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. She's been posting a blog on Mondays. And it's funny because sometimes I'll go look for a video like on a Thursday or for our Saturday, and she hasn't posted, and you know, sometimes she changes her schedule a little bit, and I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't get to see her. So anyway, look up her channel. She's really, really amazing. And she doesn't know who the heck I am. I only have like, you know, 41 subscribers. So Emily does not know who Clara Barrera is. But she has a really good video. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And I can't wait to see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. It's Future Clara again. I'm sorry that I kept clearing my throat. I don't know if I'm coming down with something or I'm super tired. I didn't sleep very well last night. But I did want to record this video because I thought it was going to be fun. But I hope that you enjoyed it. So I will see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.